Hi, I'm Matt. Today's lesson is about using superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives to describe the unique or best qualities of objects, people, and animals. So let's find out more. In my house, we have some pictures and paintings in different rooms. There's a really amazing picture in our lounge. It's of an animal. It's a picture of a cheetah. Do you know, cheetahs are the fastest animals? There's another picture in our dining room. It's of another animal. It's a picture of a giraffe. Do you know, giraffes are the tallest animals in the world? Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Can you find the superlatives? That's right, fastest and tallest are the superlatives. What does the word fastest tell us about the cheetah? Fastest is a word that gives more information about the cheetah. Fastest is a description of the speed, which means that the cheetah has a high speed that no other animal has. What does the word tallest tell us about the giraffe? Tallest is a word that gives more information about the giraffe. Tallest is a description of the height, which means that the giraffe has a height that is so high that all other animals are smaller in height. So, what is a superlative and when do we use superlatives? A superlative or a superlative adjective is an adjective that compares things, people, animals, or opinions to say which of those has the most or least of a particular quality. We use superlatives to compare qualities like height, speed, or age. You have to add the before any superlative. Let's look at another example. Lima is the driest capital city in the world. Out of all the capital cities in the world, Lima in Peru is the driest. Let's move on. How do you form superlatives with one-syllable adjectives and adjectives ending in Y? Let's look at some examples. Cheetahs are the fastest animals. Africa is the hottest continent in the world. Lima is the driest capital city in the world. In the first example, the adjective is fast and it has one syllable. One-syllable adjectives have the letters E, S, T added to them. So fast becomes fastest. In the second example, the adjective is hot and it has one vowel and consonant at the end. Adjectives with one vowel and consonant at the end have the last letter doubled, then EST added to them. So hot becomes hottest. In the third sentence, the adjective is dry. It ends with Y. Adjectives that end in Y have the Y removed, then IEST added to them. So dry becomes driest. Follow the table to understand how superlatives are formed. For single-syllable adjectives, you add EST. For single-syllable adjectives with a vowel and consonant at the end, you double the last letter and add EST. For adjectives ending in Y, you remove the Y and add IEST. Let's look at some examples. The oldest watch in the world was made in 1505. Bangkok is the hottest city in the world. How do you form superlatives with two or more syllables and irregular adjectives? Let's look at some sentences. The golden pheasant is the most beautiful bird in the world. Water is the best drink. In the first sentence, beautiful is a three-syllable word. An adjective with two or more syllables should have most added before the adjective. So it becomes the most beautiful. In the second sentence, the adjective is good. When there is an irregular adjective, the superlative has a unique form, which in this case is the best. Follow the table to understand how superlatives are formed. For the first type of adjective with 2 or more syllables, you add the most. For the second type of adjective with 2 or more syllables, you add est. For irregular adjectives, you add the before the irregular superlative. Let's look at another example. The chimpanzee is the cleverest animal. Now you can use superlative adjectives. Today we reviewed how we can use superlative adjectives, using 1-syllable adjectives and adjectives ending in y, and using 2 or more syllable adjectives and irregular adjectives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.